At the edge where the shadows start, 10 logs rest like pieces of a heart, laid beneath an archway old, stories whispered but never told. A quiet pause before the deep, a moment carved for thoughts to keep. The woods ahead grow still and wide, calling you to cross inside. Standing at the doorway of the night, letting go to step into the light, leaving what's complete upon the ground, ready for the past yet to be found. A threshold waits for those who seek, courage rising when the past grows weak. Breathing all you've learned so far, every mark and every scar. What's behind you shaped your way, but now it's time for a different day. The darker woods hold truths unseen, space is quiet, raw and clean. When you release what weighed you down, you walk with ease toward new renown. Standing at the doorway of the night, letting go to step into the light, leaving what's complete upon the ground, ready for the past yet to be found. A threshold waits for those who seek, courage rising when the past grows weak. Every journey starts by setting something down.